The Norse saga begins with thunder and echoes from the gods themselves. A mysterious force turns these heroes into beasts of nature. Number 9 brings us to the clever and brave Freyr. He who controls the fertile lands now melds with a majestic stag. At number 8, we uncover Baldur, the shining god of beauty and fairness. His radiant energy now manifests in a phoenix-like bird, symbolizing both rebirth and resilience. Number 7 brings us the mighty Vidar, god of vengeance, represented as a bear, embodying the strength of the forest and his unrelenting fury. At number 5, we bring in the Berserker warriors. Meet the beastly fury of a mighty wolf and a roaring bear, representing the wild rage of these fighters. Number 4 takes us to the fierce and imposing god, Ares, god of war. Now fused with a ravenous wolf, he embodies the essence of battle. At number 3, we bring in Odin, the Allfather himself. Represented by an eagle, symbolizing wisdom and the power of foresight. Number 2 introduces Thor, the mighty god of thunder. With the spirit of a lion, Thor's courage and strength become even more imposing. At number 1, the ultimate Norse warrior emerges, Fenrir, the great wolf, son of Loki, who marks the end of an age. For more mythical journeys into the world of gods and beasts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.